Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Super Swing Shooter. Today we're going to do something new. This is going to be a weekly video analysis where I analyze, I review, go back and review the charts on videos that I released that prior week, prior videos analysis that I released that week, and see whether we were right or wrong and see what happened to the charts. Okay, so the first video that I released, was on February 5th, and this is kind of a way for me to keep myself accountable and also show you guys how good I am. And I don't claim to be a professional trader or anything. I'm just recording and documenting my journey, and hopefully I help and inspire others along the way. First stock is HLIT Harmonic Incorporated. Now, we said that we were interested in going long here on the monthly demand zone here, and these weekly demand zones located below. This one in particular, we were really interested on the daily, and price is not retraced down here yet, so we just have to wait and see if price is going to retrace down there or not, or if it's gonna rally and leave us behind. We just don't know, but we're waiting for price to reach down here and see what's gonna happen. Next stock that we did put out a video on was on February 4th, CUMULUS CUMULUS. Now this one we were interested in going long down here because it had a strong move to the upside, strong red move down. This is not supply. Weekly we have the strong move up, but this is supply on the weekly time frame. So this is technically not demand. This is just a strong, very strong impulse. So we were interested in going long down here, and we were interested in going long at this demand zone down here because this is the start of the move. And what do we have? We have price touched it, kissed the level, and rallied. And this could easily be, let's see, yeah, this could easily be a 3-to-1 trade. So you would have made your 3% here already, but we're actually expecting price to go up all the way back up here. So we'll see if that plays out, but definitely a winner there. Gaining 3R to 1R. So that's a very good move. It's still playing out though. It could go up all the way up here to the next opposing supply zone. So we'll see if that happens in the next coming weeks or days. Next stock is on February 2nd, Aussie Singapore dollar. This is what we have. This is pretty tricky. It's not that tricky, but it's pretty hard. And in this one, you can go back and look at the videos. And just remember, guys, I put the links in the description so that it's easier to. So the links are in the description below if you want to go back and watch the videos, just in case you don't believe what I said in this video of what I did. But I still have the old zones drawn out and everything. So this is what we have. We said that these areas are not supply, but it could be supply in the lower time frames, and it was. But then we said that this is a good one. This one is probably not that good, but this one is pretty good. But then ideally you want to take the extremes, because once this trend line loses momentum, then you want to lean on the higher time frames supply zone or the extreme. And so that's exactly what happened. You have this engulfing candle, 3 very strong moves to the upside, removing all these weak supply zones, and it almost touched the weekly supply zone, but then came back down. So it could come back up and drop again. But this one is kind of tricky. When the very first time we looked at it on February 2nd, it looked like it was a nice short opportunity because this forex pair was just going down and down and down, but then it finally decided that I wanted to correct because it's overextended to the downside. It easily took out all these supply zones, so definitely be careful about that one. The next pair that we analyzed was on January 26, 2020 on pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so this is what we have on the pound Aussie dollar. We have this strong supply zone that we were looking to go short, and this strong wick has absorbed some of the seller, but we were looking to go short down here. On the weekly, we have the strong zone that we were looking to go short, but it just immediately took it out. And the dollar, the daily, we have this supply that it kind of reacted but then it just took out. So in the video I did say that I was going short down here, but I was planning to go short down here, but then the more I looked at it, I didn't go short because because of these engulfing candles, and this supply zone was not fresh. It's been tested and almost absorbed because it penetrated pretty deep. And so I thought about it again, and I'm like, no, I probably don't want to go short this one. So then this zone here did not work, and then this zone here did not work. So these big banks and institutions are definitely doing a very good job of faking out us retail traders. But it's okay, you know. That is why we implement stop losses, risk management, all that good stuff. Okay, and so this one, reflecting on this, I would definitely wait to see if price is going to drop, and then I'll short the pullback. But I didn't say that. So good learning lesson for those who are wanting to learn how to trade this method even further is to do that. Okay, and this is it for the review. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe by pressing that red button and bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I want you guys to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love.